Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to fix Excel not enough memory error in your Windows 10 computer. So you just need to follow me. So first of all, what you have to do, you just need to right click on that Excel file which you are getting error. So just right click and go to properties, and after that you have to check this option which is unblock and click on apply, then OK. After that you have to open your Excel file. So after open Excel file, you just need to go to file, then you have to click on options from your left side, and now after open Excel options, you have to click on Trust Center. Now click on Trust Center settings. Now click on protected view from left side. Now here into uncheck these three options, which is enable protected, originating from the internet, unsafe location, and Outlook attachments. So just uncheck this option. OK, click on OK button, and after that close and reopen your Excel file. It will fix your problem. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button, and share button. And if you have any queries or question, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.